Hello everyone, this is Plabani and today we are in Python day 4. So what we are going to learn today, we are going to learn about constructor. So every programming language have constructor and that is nothing but whenever we wanted to initialize the object, we will be calling the constructor. In Python, if you wanted to call the constructor, we use underscore underscore init underscore underscore. Okay. Remember, whenever in Python you wanted to use any constructor, what we are going to use? We are going to use underscore underscore init underscore underscore function bracket. Now, if I wanted to create one class and I will be declaring the constructor inside the class. Okay. So there is two things, guys, which you need to understand as part of this learning. What is the two things you need to learn here? First thing, I'll create two programs. Okay. So this is one program and another program, I will do the similar thing with the method. Constructor is a special type of method, but I will declare here a method called declare. Okay. So what is the difference here? I created one class. Inside the class, I have a method called declare and I have a method called display. So declare, I am just declaring the variable, and inside the display, I am calling them to display those method. Now, when you create object of a class, by default, a default constructor will be called by compiler. Whenever you create any object of any class, by default, one constructor will be invoked. So whenever I created this, it means by default, one constructor has been invoked. Now, how to call? Now you can use obj dot declare and declare the value, which is Rahul and 20. First time when you execute to the server, it will take little time. I am using Google Colab, and how to access Google Colab you can learn from my previous videos where I have already taught you how to access Google Colab and run it. Now you can see it is displaying Rahul and 20. Now I have created another program similar way, but here if you see I have used parameterized constructor. I have used parameterized constructor. Why I am saying parameterized constructor? Because if you see, I am using here name and age and using that in the constructor. So I am passing the parameter inside the constructor. That is parameterized constructor. What is the difference here? In parameterized constructor, when you create an object of a class, that time only you will be passing the variables here. You are not creating separate method. You are just passing the variables or the values when you are creating object of a class. So this process is automated. You don't need any manual method calling to pass the variable, which you are doing it here. We are not doing that here. Whenever you create object of class, automatically your parameter value needs to be passed. So this is the good advantage of constructor. Constructor do this automatically, where in method creation here you are doing this as manually you are calling the object and passing the value. But if you see here, we are not doing that. So today we have learned how to access constructor, how to use constructor, what is default constructor, what is parameterized constructor, and between the method and constructor, which one is the best option? How to declare the value in parameterized constructor while creating object. So these are the concepts which we have learned. today, I will be suggesting you, please go through them and let me know if you need any help. You can reach out to me to my email ID, which is plabani52@gmail.com. So again, I'll repeat, it is plabani52@gmail.com. And if you wanted to join my special ETL automation testing course, please reach out to me to my email ID. I can definitely help you. Thank you so much, everyone.